Hello friends, I am Ellaling. Today we will be discussing how to create WazirX account. Let's see what are the required documents for creating WazirX account. Email ID, mobile number, Aadhaar card, PAN card and selfie with Aadhaar card are the required documents for creating WazirX account. I will be giving basic details and WazirX usage steps and WazirX tricks in my Telegram group, my dear friends. If you are not part of my Telegram group and WhatsApp group, please join my Telegram group and WhatsApp group. I have given links in the description. So if you are already user of WazirX, you can directly go to Google and click on login WazirX. You will be logging into WazirX account. If you are new, use my referral link, my dear friends, cause you will be facing lot of difficulties while doing KYC and also after completing KYC process. I have given my referral link in the description. Please use that referral link for creating your WazirX account. See here, I am showing you after clicking on my referral link, you will be redirecting to website. See here, I am just clicking on my referral link and it will be redirected to WazirX website. Click on that sign up now button. Once you click on that sign up now button, it will be asking you your email ID. Enter your email ID and give 6-digit password. Very simple password, my dear friends. No need to worry about any strong password here. You can give 1 2 3 4 5 6 also. It is fine because it will be asking two-step verification for any withdrawals. That is very important. And make sure that you have my referral code, that is BHQB52HU. This is very important, my dear friends. If you want to part of my team and if you want to get support from me and my team, it will be mandatory that you should enter this referral code, because I will be getting some benefits from you in future. Once you entered your email ID and 6-digit password, click on that terms and condition and give sign up. Once you click on that sign up, one email verification will be sent to your registered email ID. Now I will show you similar process in application as well, because email verification is the first step of creating WazirX account. Download WazirX application from Play Store and click on sign up now. See here, login I am showing here. If you are already user, just log in directly to WazirX account. If you are new, just click on that sign up. Once you click on sign up, as we did in website, similarly you enter your email ID and 6-digit password and make sure that in third row, means after third row, you will be getting referral code option. Click on that one, my dear friends. This is very important for joining in my team. Okay, BHQB52HU. This is my referral code. You make sure that you please enter that referral code for adding in my team. You will be getting complete handholding support from me and my teammates, my dear friends. Okay, so you just enter that referral code and click on sign up. Once you entered sign up, it will be asking verify your email. Go to your email address and verify Vmail. Okay, now we will see. I am clicking on sign up. Okay, once you entered sign up, it will be asking you to verify email. See here, I am just going to email. I am clicking on verify email, my dear friends. After email verification, just click on continue. Here two options will be there. One is authenticator app and second is mobile SMS. New users, please click on mobile SMS, my dear friends. It is very easy. Authenticator app is like advanced option for verification. So click on mobile SMS and enter your mobile number. Okay, once you entered your mobile number, just click on that send OTP option. Once you enter that send OTP option, you will be asking that 6-digit OTP. It will be okay. Once you enter that one, just continue the next step. Once you completed this OTP verification, mobile verification and email verification, last step will be KYC upload documents. Select your country India and click on complete KYC. Once you click on complete KYC, you need to submit the details as per your documents. Give your actual name, whatever available in your document, first name, second name and last name. Very important, my dear friends. And give Aadhaar address, means as per your document address only how to fill in this KYC form. If you are not filling as per document, then your KYC will be rejected, my friend. This is very important. Upload Aadhaar card and PAN card and selfie with Aadhaar card. This is very simple process, my dear friends. No need to worry. Only 3 steps we are covering: email verification, mobile number verification, and uploading documents. This is a simple process. Hope you all understood. If you have any confusion, please contact me. My WhatsApp number already visible on screen. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all.